that if you have one side that is 1 foot, the other side is gonna be 1.4142 feet tall. So that's what that would look like, that's what that proportion is. 1 foot here, 1 foot 4.442 inches this way. To create that proportion, the way that it would come together is if you were to take a square and just start out with a square just by itself, not ignore all of that, and to draw the diagonal from one corner to the next and arc that diagonal, going from here and then drawing it up, that measurement conceivably, not conceivably, but that measurement from there, if you arc it up, would be 1.4142 inches.
Okay.
Okay, so that's an A format rectangle. Why is the A format so special? What's special about it?
Is that golden ratio thing, or is it like?
Not that one.
Okay.
What is it, Jessica? He said what I thought it was. How does that measure that again? Square root of 2. That proportion, 1.4142, is the square root of 2. So square root of 2 equals 1.4142. In other words. So, okay? So that's one of the reasons that we like it. It also, in European measures, it always equals 1 meter squared. This is the equivalent of 1 square meter. So, and the A0 equals A0 paper, A0 measurement. Okay? That's one. The golden rectangle is measured out at 1 to 1.618 is the formulation for that. That is not a square root, but it is actually called the term phi. Phi also equals, I think it's this, it's phi, which also equals 1.618 is phi. It's one of those numbers that goes on infinitely like that. And this proportion is used in the Egyptian pyramids. Pyramids. It's in the Acropolis in Greece. It's used in golden spiral. It translates out to the Fibonacci sequence. And so on. And so on. So when we measure this one out, to figure this one out, we can draw it out by starting with that square, once again, square that we started out with, and instead of going from corner to corner, we find the halfway point on that square, and then find the diagonal there. And then from there, we can arc that out, and that rectangle will measure out to 1.618. And further, this rectangle right here that we've added onto that square is also a golden rectangle. So it will measure to the 1 to 1.618 relationship also. And we can continue to break that down, break it down, break it down, and it ultimately will create that golden spiral. That looks like that. So that's the relationship between those two, the two rectangles. Got it?
Okay. Thank you.
One is based on the halfway point from corner to corner. The other one is on the halfway point from corner to halfway point of the square. Any other questions?